fiction. The Vernonville, we seen blood spill, thugs get killed, drug deals. My niggas love the thrill. Let's start from the top, 3rd Street. They call it the block, the hilltop, the plaza's where my nigga War got shot. Murderville. Drama is the daily affair. From the Heights to 241st to 4 Square. Hold it down, we the 6th borough. Last stop on the Iron Horse. Yeah, take the Metro North to the place where stars are born. I'm living proof. My persona shine through clouds of marijuana. Thoughts for your mind, we on the topic. Like the sands in the hourglass, you can't stop it. I'm God, but it seems like I'm locked in hell. Looking over the edge, but the R never fell. I'm no MCs out there, you need to stand clear. The God Cypher is a world premiere. From New York, straight talk, America's best. Money earning, Mount Vernon is where we rest. MCs out there, you need to stand clear. The God Cypher is a world premiere. Check it out, straight talk, America's best. Money earning, Mount Vernon is where we rest. I never trip to slip, cause my nights got grip. New millennium, my database is fully equipped. Spectacular to my depth, won't settle for less. Climb the ladder of success, whack rappers stress. We reach heights, street life, gotta eat right. Understand what a ghetto celeb be like. Even thugs show love, but you get none here. A lot of niggas is from here, but can't come here. Basically, I stand on my own too, my own crew. Most of y'all are fold, trying to fill these shoes. While the cake escalates like the murder rate. In 98, we circulate while you perpetrate. Yo, sometimes I zone back to my yesterdays, when my life was a better place. Now it's only the cheddar race. For niggas that want this treasure, you constantly under pressure. But I remain number one. Out there, you need to stand clear. The God Cypher is a world premiere. From New York, straight talk, America's best. Money earning, now burning is where we rest. MCs out there, you need to stand clear. The God Cypher is a world premiere. From New York, straight talk, America's best. Money earning, now burning is where we rest. Yeah. Feel that one. Vernonville status. Nick T. Big Bugs. Big G. My man DT. Strong bigger, my nigga. What? Bravo. Yeah, now you know. 4 square miles and it don't stop. World premiere. Trying to get this finish his album. Or hell, he's starting.